Welcome to episode 3 of Beginners Barbecue Outdoor, and we're doing St. Louis ribs. So now what we're going to do, now that we have the ribs here, is we're going to take the membrane off. And after I take the membrane off, see right here, you start it with the knife. Get one of these. I'm trying to pull it. There's still some left. Get a good grip. It's funny, it's not as easy as the videos. So keep at it, and then we'll come back and we'll trim it up. Ready? Alright, so now I took off the membrane. I did the cutting off camera because it had this big piece in there, like going all the way in here. See, still, I don't know why it still goes. That's probably why you probably go to butcher shops, have them do it for you. I went to Fred Meyer's. So just cut it square. This is the stuff that I took off, but it's meat. So I'm gonna use it. And so now I get to use one thing to add the rub. Wrong hand too. I'll just use this hand.
Why do you use mustard?
Mustard holds the rub in place. So grab the rub. A nice coat. So with the honey rub. Give it a little. And then on to the other side. Go back to the honey. And that is ready. We're going to preheat the Traeger to 180 degrees, and we'll come back for that one. So now it's on the grill. I had it on smoke to preheat. I'm going to take it up one notch to 180. 180. I'm going to leave it there for 3 hours, I think, 3 or 4. I'm at one of these. Somewhere in there. There it is. Now we wait. Halfway through the process, and I've noticed the Traeger's running a little high. I have it for 180, and the Traeger is at 210. It could be because of the weather. It's hot today. It's at 80 degrees out here. So I'm a little nervous to make sure this time around the meat is not dry. It has, if anybody saw episode 2, I did brisket and it came out dry. So I'm trying to keep this one not dry like the other one. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, and hopefully it comes out good. It's been about 2 hours and 40 minutes. See how it's looking? You're able to touch it. Nothing comes out. No rub. So that is good to go. Those are the pieces that I took off this. Why waste them? So now we have our ribs out. Remember, this is the stuff that was excess, and so I cut those. We're gonna put these in foil. We're gonna add some parquet butter. Some brown sugar. And then a little bit of honey. Honey for the money. Okay. Now we're gonna wrap these. Nice and wrapped. We're gonna go back in there for another hour and a half to 2 hours. That's it. Welcome back. The ribs are done, and we had them smoking for 3 hours at a temperature of 180, and then we wrapped them and put them back in for 2 hours. We raised the temperature at 225 for 2 hours. Let's see how they're out so far. Look at those juices. Smells really good. So there it is. We're gonna add a little bit more of this honey rub. So the barbecue sauce that I'm going to be using is, let me grab it. It's Famous Dave's. If you've ever been there, their sauce is delicious. And this is my favorite. So I'm going to grab the mop. Give them a nice coat. Barbecue sauce, and then we're going to put them back on the Traeger for another half hour to an hour and see how that goes. that. Nice and all over. Yeah. Nice, juicy. Oh, there's one of these plastics from the mop's brand new. It's the first time using it. I like my ribs saucy. On the back. And the bones are coming out. All right, I'm gonna put these back in and we'll see how they look after half hour to an hour. So we are officially done. I put them in the Traeger for another half hour with the sauce. I mean, it looks really good. I mean, it's juicy. It looks like it's not dry like the last video I did. Let's give it a cut. Let's see. Look at that. It is still juicy. Let's see. This one is weird how the bones are. It's like they're going sideways. Let's give it a taste. Definitely put enough rub on this one. It was just perfect on rub. The sauce is good. Really tasteful. Look at that. That's right. Now that's some good ribs. But I'm sure that next time I will get the ribs from the butcher shop, where I think it'll be better quality than these ones. Look at that. Just fall off the bone. All right, that's it for this video. Episode 4 will be coming soon, and stay tuned for that.